Hello, welcome to the program. We are now discussing about the way in sharpening our communication and presentation skill, particularly about how to dig potencies. You see behind me, there's nothing is there. We are in the desert now, in an area called Al-Khur in Qatar. When you see the surroundings, as if that nothing is there, we can see nothing that we can do. But dear viewers, everyone actually is expecting perfection in life. Being perfect is actually everyone's dreams. To achieve the dream, one needs a strategy. One of the strategies is how to dig our potencies. But when you see the people, basically everyone is born with potencies. Everyone wants to have a meaningful life. In our place, where people are brought up in different environment, the mental patients or the mental retarded person even, if we see them in hospital, they are trained how to maximize or to use their potencies. Thomas Alva Edison, one of the great finders in the world, failed 2,000 times before finding the electricity or the telecommunication. Our great prophet, Muhammad, peace be upon him, he slept less, including his companions during his days. But viewers, we don't need to be like Thomas Alva Edison, let alone to be like our beloved prophet or his companions to be successful in life. To have a better communication and presentation skills, the first step is to use our potencies. Now, how to use our potencies actually? The first is be positive about ourselves. When I do not think about my positiveness, when I'm not positive about myself, how could I maximize my potencies, some strengths inside me? The second step is to identify our strengths and weaknesses. Once I know, for instance, that I can read well, automatically my potencies or my abilities to be able to read, this is my strength. When I can use my strength, it can help me to strengthen myself. At the same time, because I'm able to read, I may be able to write well. So that's why writing can be also my strengths. At the same time, I'm also expected to be able to identify my weaknesses. Well, I'm not talking about the weaknesses here, but be positive means identify the strengths. Once you know that you like writing, you like reading, you like communicating with people, you like having active in our social life, those are the strengths. Strengthen your competencies. Number two, one of the most effective in digging our potencies is to broaden our social interaction or professional relationship. Human beings are social creature actually, so that's why we are expected to broaden our relationship, mingle with the people regardless of the nationalities. So be with among Chinese, Arabs, Indians, Sri Lankans, Bangladeshis, United Kingdom people, or Americans, Australians, it doesn't matter. Mingle with them. When we know them, automatically we learn about maybe about the cultures, about anything that we have no idea before. It gives us a broadened knowledge on skills while having more social interactions with people from different nations or different cultures. This automatically broaden our professional relationship, especially in the workplace. The next one is don't be quiet when you are alone. What I mean here is when we are alone, don't just sit at home without doing anything. There are so many things actually we can do in life. If you have internet connection, you can contact people, do the positive things, not just talking without anything, using emails or Facebooks or chatting. Go outside, even in the market, do exercise, cleaning even the bathroom, dining room, cleaning the books, reading articles, or write short messages to people that you know. So in conclusion, to be a successful people, we don't need a lengthy of titles. We don't need to be doctors, you don't need to be professors, you don't need to have a lot of titles in front or behind your names. Number 2, identify your strengths and maximize them. Number 3, try to mingle with people, make more friends and professionals. Number 4, be busy. All right, dear viewers, this is the second session that we are discussing on how to maximize potencies as part of sharpening the communications and presentation skills for the nursing professions. Let's see you next time.